What's up, AMC? What's up, YouTube, Rumble, StockTwits, Twitter? My Discord people already know because we've been talking about it all night. AMC down 15% at the bottom. Rejecting off 13 EMA here. You know, I said it. I said it in my previous videos, guys. I said Aron talks during earnings and it goes down. But it's a combination of a couple things. There was a lot of negative things surrounding the AMC earnings call. So this is no longer controlled by AMC retail apes. The stock is a fundamental play at this point, okay? And the fundamentals aren't good. But, I mean, it has squeeze play potential. The CTB on AMC today is 176. It's absurd. It's insane. It's insane. It's massive. I don't know what it's going to be tomorrow. I think it might even go up. Might go up. Because I think some shorts piled in. There's a lot in there. That's not just selling. So I'm sure there's some selling there. Some people who said, it didn't pop, it's dropping, I'm out. They bought into earnings and then, went down, so they got out. But definitely some shorts entered. It's a given. It happens every time. I bought some puts into close because you can kind of bank on this happening, which it's fine. I said it would probably hit about 651 after earnings in my videos earlier, and lo and behold, we are literally 3 cents away from my price target. We 2 cents now. We actually went below my price target. So, in terms of accuracy of share price, I think I've proven myself to be somewhat of an AMC savant in this department. I'm going to continually refer to the dumbass that said AMC is going to 140 tomorrow and proceeded to get 20,000 views on YouTube. And it was like a nobody channel. I'm not going to say that. I'm also not going to get 1 cent away. I'm also not going to get 20,000 views. If I even get 300 views or 500 views on this video, I would be shocked. Props to Tony De Niro. Guy does a live stream. He's got like 1,200 people in his live stream. Talking his ear off, he held it down, answering everybody's questions. He's a good guy. I like that guy. Check him out. Tony De Niro. He's like all AMC all day, every day. And he doesn't really he's not fabricating things for people. He's letting you know. And I think it's important that AMC has people like him or like myself that are just literally, and he's like, we're opposite ends of the spectrum. I'm bearish AMC, he's bullish, and I'm only bearish because of what happened. 72 to 6 is a friggin' travesty, you guys. And I want to get paid. But I know it's not going to happen through no molas. It's going to happen after that reverse split on the way down. And I'm ready to pump 5 figures into puts or shorting it. Legit. So, I'm waiting. You can hate on me all you want for taking a position, but that's, it's the exact same as if I were to hate on you for being long or being bullish, right? You would be like, oh, these guys are dicks, they're clowns. They, what do they care what we do with our money? It's the same thing. Whenever you guys make fun of shorts or someone who has a bearish stance on a stock, it's literally the same thing. You're doing to them what you don't like done to yourself. So just think about that for a moment. Whereas really, guys, the ultimate goal at the end of the day, make money. Make some money. If AMC is going to provide us the opportunities to make money, should I get the license plate? How many people spent $500 getting custom license plates for their motorbike and their car. You know, I loved AMC. I had a shirt that I custom ordered back in the day because Aron was slow to the mound and didn't make merch. You know, uh, something like 20,000 posts on stock twits. I was heavily active. 25,000 shares. Opinions change. People change, positions change. Aron does not. He's a predictable monster. He's the boogeyman in the room who's destroyed every shred of value of this company, and even in the earnings call said that he was going to dilute further. Kind of fumbled his words and then said, raise more capital, or something along those lines. Just go listen to the earnings call. So they fully intend to reverse split on the 14th. They had the court ordered that it's happening. Like, the vote is happening, sorry. The vote gets a yes vote, which Antera's already going to do it. Everybody's already doing it. On the people that have the most shares are already doing it. Retail, I don't believe, has the most shares anymore. I just don't believe it. And so when that happens, I guess they announce the date. This is the thing. I'm not totally positive on it, but I believe they announced the date. But at any moment, pretty much, you get ready for that. RS happens. It's 10-1. Basically, you take the price of AMC, the market cap. You take the market cap of Ape, you add them together, and then you divide by the float. They're increasing the float of AMC to basically to make it so that AMC plus Ape is 1.5 billion. So that'll go down to 150 million. Which sounds great and all, but it's diluted. It's not real. It's not the same as a share buyback. It's literally 10 times worse. They're taking away 9, giving you 1, or taking 10, giving you 1. Yes, you have the same dollar amount, the same dollar, but that it's like Tony was saying, it's for a fraction of a second. Then the market will decide, and unless you're willing to buy AMC at, say, 100 a share, 55, 100, 200 a share, if AMC was like AMC in April 20 going into this RS, that means it would go to 200. I've been saying it and saying it and saying it. I don't see that happening. I am for sure loading the boat in the opposite direction. As to the bottom, I don't know, because the float will only be 100 million shares, and there will be a boatload of shorts. What I think I want to do is run a Fibonacci on it, and if it is a 60% retracement, from 100, that would be $4. If it was like, say, $65, that would be $39. So let's just use easy math though. So from 100, I'm targeting likely 60. So that's 40%. 60, 50, 40. So that's kind of and 23%. Well, I would shave a good position of my, like I would take profits at around 23%. So it'd be $77 from 100. So if I were to short physical shares, 77 down to 100. If I was to buy puts, my price target would probably be, I don't know, a month out and $75. Something like that. 77 bucks, rather. Maybe a month out. And I don't think it would take too long to hit. It's definitely going to have resistances, just like it does now. So that would take some time. We're months, probably. It's not like it's going to free fall. It's just not feasible. Anyone who holds through, I would imagine they continue to hold. There's really, if you haven't sold at this point, at this level, I don't think they're going to get you to sell. So, I mean, this is why this short interest, the cost of borrow is 175%. The people that were going to sell have sold, by and large, 95% of them. There might be a few stragglers left who are getting exhausted. That's it. So it's not like it's going to be some easy thing for them to bring down. It's just psychologically, I don't foresee many people paying high double and or triple digits. If they reverse split this thing and it just so happens to be 72 or $78, I'm just going to be mad. I'm going to consider it like basically a planned meme, just to like shove it in our face. Hey, you're back at 72, but we took 90% of your value, creating it down to whatever, $7.20, and then reverse. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like that's what they're aiming to do. They're aiming for this 72 to 78, and I say 72 78 because in the pre-market it was 78. The recorded high, I believe, would have been 72 because that was the last close. Like it closed at 72, then the pre-market the next day went to 78, and then it cratered on open all the way like 62. That day I lost like $400,000. It wasn't even funny. That's how many shares I had, and $10 a share. $10 a share. 78 to 62 was like 16 a share. 25 times 16. Yeah. So that day I lost $408,000. Me. So that was not a good day. I will never forget that day. I'm gonna be getting a lot of my money back when they reverse split and bring it down again, and it's just a fact. If AMC can't post a profitable quarter, guys, and it's trading on fundamentals, on financials, you've already got the broader market falling off, okay? You've got recession talks. You've got Regal and Cinemark going bankrupt. They're not posting a profit themselves. Again, the writing's on the wall. They're even running out of cash. They only had $800 million cash left from $3 billion when this began back in the January originally. $3 billion, and now they have 800 mil? Yikes. I don't know how you spend $2,200 million in 2 years, but that doesn't sound sustainable to me, guys. So do what you want with your money and believe what you want. But if you do want someone who's going to give you, what I would consider actionable, reliable, honest information, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Join my Discord. Try to make money up and down. We have people writing calls on AMC ever since this thing peaked over 100%. This AMC was like 400% the other day, guys. So we had a bunch of people buying up calls, making 300, 400, 500% on the options chain, and then some bought shares. So most people bought the calls, and it's like play up, play down. I say tomorrow we probably close around 651, and then we see a slow rise to that 801 level. And that's kind of where I have it for this video, guys. I hope you liked some of the comments I made. And, give me your thoughts in the comments below. Give me something to digest and something to think about. If you have a strong bull thesis, let me know. I'm open to hear all sides of it on this one. I heard that whole earnings call watching Tony De Niro, so you go check out Tony De Niro's live. And just was not enthusiastic with what I was hearing.